welcome back. If you're like me and have loads of rhubarb growing in your garden, lots and lots, and it doesn't stop, then you have to find ways to use it. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to make a little rhubarb panna cotta. This is so easy, anyone can do it. Okay, so all you need to do is do these easy steps. Okay, I've got my water in my bowl. All I need to do is soak. Depends how many you want to make. Depends how jelly-ish you want it as well. And the last one that I made, I put 3 in. So let's just go for it. Recipe says 3. So you shove it in like that. So they're all submerged by the water. And there's a few left over there to do next time. Then what we're going to do is we're going to measure out our milk, cream, and vanilla pod. But obviously, who's going to buy an expensive vanilla pod when you can just buy exactly. You know what I'm saying? Jug with the names of the numbers on them. Okay, so you're going to do about 4 to 6, depends on how many matching cups you have, really, isn't it? 250ml of milk and 250ml of double cream. So that's to 500ml. Get down on its level. And then double cream. Don't worry if it's out of date. It all tastes the same. Just let me smell it. Just let me taste it. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to notice. Oh! A bit too much, but don't worry about it. Whoopsie. It says on the recipe 1 vanilla pod, so I say just oh my god, that smells like alcohol. Oh, I'm dribbling. Oh, you didn't just see that. Don't give your kids this, okay? Just put a capful, whack that in, your vanilla, or if you fancy, alright, then you can put a vanilla pod in, blah blah blah, whatever. And then your sugar, which is 25 grams. Ain't nobody got time to measure 25 grams, okay? So, you're just gonna go like a spoonful, like hand like that. The size of your palm, and then you just tuck it in. And then, we'll just put it on the hob and bring it to a simmer. Get yourself a clean pan, freshly washed. Yummy. Turn your hob on. And then, you see this mixture here? Ooh, beautiful. Chuck it in. Oh god, that cream is lumpy. Clean your jug while it's simmering. It's gone really cloggy. Look at the back of my... What? They just jumped off the work surface! Oh my god, I'm having a heart attack here. Don't do that again, will you? But look at this. Ooh. Okay, this wasn't working. What? Oh my god, it's a monster! What's going on here? Why is it still so... You hear that? This doesn't look good. It's like plastic. You look at that. Okay, so I've got my squeezed out gelatin things. Chuck them in. I'm just make them melt. See it like, oh, that looks rank. Okay, then you gotta find this, oh, whoops. Some cute little glasses that match. Usually about 4. Here, I can see some old Nutella jars at the back here. Here we go, look, there's one. And there's another 2. 3 there. Is there another? Okay, maybe I'll make 5. Okay, lovely jubbly. Now I've got a beautifully curdled panna cotta. It's easy to pour from a jug. I just took this in here. Can you see the beautiful consistency of that? It smells like dairy. Okay, so you need to put that in the fridge now. I need to polish it up first. I don't want people to be able to tell that they're gloopy and mouldy, you know? I want them to think that these look gorgeous, smooth and delicious. Chuck them in the fridge for about 4 hours. Do it in the morning if you've got a dinner party in the evening. And you have loads of rhubarb growing in your back garden, then great. Otherwise, just go to the supermarket and pick some up. Okay, cameraman, come closer. Don't wear your best shoes when you're climbing in the garden, okay? But I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3. Get 4. These leaves are, what's it called when you, these leaves are poisonous, so take them off while we're outside and then put them in the green bin. Okay, let's go inside before my skirt blows up. Okay, get yourself a knife. Doesn't have to be this big, but make sure it's sharp because rhubarb is super stringy. Let's cut the bottoms off first. Oh yeah, you want to wash it. There we go. Because, I don't know if you know, but rhubarb grows outside and gets bugs on it. And whoa, that is not sharp. And you don't want bugs in your dessert. Oh, I'm holding this wrong because it's not sharp. Okay, so you want your rhubarb about 1 centimetre. And if your knife's not sharp, then you're going to have to do one at a time. And make sure you chop that top bit off that's poisonous. Good tip is to make your fingers like that. But if you can't bother and you're really good at chopping, then I'm not going to tell you how to chop, okay? You do you, you know? You do you. There's your pile of rhubarb. Turn it on, get a bit of water. Not that much, that was just because that's how much went in there. About that much. A bit more. Okay, so put about that much in. And then you need to go crazy with the sugar because rhubarb is sour. Okay, you leave that there for about 5 or 10 minutes. Smells good already. And then leave to cool. You're waiting for it to go squishy. There we go, after your 10 minutes on medium to high heat, it's gonna like this. You still want some chunks of rhubarb in there, but overall it's going to be mushy and gorgeous. Now you need to put that in the fridge to cool so you can chuck it on your panna cotta. Okay, fine people. Now, once you've had your cup of tea, scrub the toilet, pick your nose, watch the chase, you know, all the things that you do in the afternoon, all the morning. Then your rhubarb is gonna look something like this. Also had a battle with the mouldy cream and lost. It's still a bit warm, obviously, because I'm really impatient. But it looks, smells gorgeous. I need to get my panna cottas out from yesterday. Oh yeah, excuse me, change of outfit. It is the day after. I've let the panna cotta set. I wasn't just like a basic bitch and just like, you know what, I'm gonna have 2 outfits in my video. No, that's not me. I'm just gonna show you up close what these look like. That's what the top looks like. Cute. And the sides are looking something like this. Okay, so all you gotta do, oh my god, how easy was that? Scoop this on top. Oh my god, how delightful are they? Look cute, love it, love it, love it, love it. Ooh. Pow! If you eat it like this, it tastes like baby food because it is dead sloppy. Because the panna cotta is like jelly and then the top is like sloppy sauce. So I was thinking to make it like a bit posh, we put some crunchy bits on top. I've just got some cereal here and I'll just sprinkle it on top. Like so. Stunning. And put that in the fridge, ready to eat later. That's your panna cotta, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, don't let me know. Like, subscribe, see you later, bye!
I'm so excited to try this.
Tell me what you think. What? Wait, go down to the bottom. Oh yeah. Oh,
So
yeah.
creamy.
So creamy, delicious.
Thick and sweet.
Oh, great. Creamy, thick, and sweet. You ready? First. Try it at home. Stop.